Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your video watch history from Facebook. So the first step is to head over to your profile icon on the top right corner of your Facebook and then click on settings and privacy and then click on activity log. Once you have clicked on activity log, it will display a page like this. Well, click on this option videos you have watched and it will show you the complete history of the videos that you have watched on Facebook. So if you want to delete this history, you just have to click on clear video watch history and again click on this button clear video watch history and your watch history will be permanently deleted from your Facebook profile activity log. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.